Everyone, this is what part 2 looks like. It is very simple. All you do is take it out of the bowl and put it into your no-bake pie shell. Very simple to make, and it's very easy. It's nothing more than whisking your pie filling until it is nice and thick. Now, this is the time when we usually would call this your chilling time, when you are going to be chilling your pie. This is part 2 before you do the eating. This pie is what is called a no-bake cheesecake. It is made with a cheesecake filling that is made from pudding bran. This should be delicious and nutritious, and you should enjoy it. It's about it's about $5 to make. It's a $5 pie, everyone.